In the bamboo forest, everything was peaceful and calm. The panda felt relaxed, chewing on some bamboo leaves and enjoying the day. But suddenly, it heard a strange noise.
It's probably nothing. No need to worry, just a sound.
The panda twitched its ears and looked around carefully. When the sound came again, its heart began to race, but it tried to stay calm. Panda, taking a deep breath and smiling.
Maybe it's just the wind. Or another animal. Maybe even like me. No need to worry.
The panda nervously moved through the bamboo, and suddenly, a branch rustled and fell to the ground. It jumped back in fear and then carefully looked around.
So what's that? There's no danger, I'm sure of it.
Slowly, the panda moved forward toward the source of the rustling. And what did it see? A little monkey playing.
Oh, it's just a monkey. Nothing to be afraid of. I guess I was a little too scared.
As the monkey continued to play, the panda relaxed and sat down, watching the surroundings and taking a deep breath.
Sometimes you just need to relax. All our fears are for nothing. It's time to enjoy the moment.